Hello, welcome students to our new second standard maths online session. So students, today we are going to study from our maths textbook. Open your maths textbook all of you and we will see the next chapter. Open page number 13. Today we are going to study from page number 13 to 16. So the lesson name is number given in a picture. So students, in previous lecture we have studied about the tens and units. What is the meaning of tens and units? Tens means the bundle of 110 is called tens, 110, and the single number we are going to count are units. Okay, now see the textbook. See how the numbers given in the picture have been written. Okay, now see the first box here. There is a table. So there is written tens and units. So in first box here there is 110 and 2 units. 110 and 2 unit means 12. Okay, so it is written as here 12. See the second one, there are 2 tens and 8 units. So it is written as 28. See here, it is written as 28. In this last box, see how many tens are there? 4 tens. And how many units are there? 7 units. So how we will write in words? We write 47. F-O-R-T-Y 40. S-E-V-E-N 7. Okay. Now see the next one. Look at the picture and write the numbers in words as well as in numerals. So we have to write the tens and units in numbers also and in words also. So here in first box here there is 110 and 4 units. So how we will write in words? F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 110 and 4 units means 14. Okay, in second one, see here there are 2 10 rupees notes means 2 tens. And how many coins are there? Single coins, there are 8 coins. So we have to write 2 and 8 in numbers and in words 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. E-I-G-H-T 8. And next one, see here there are 4 bundles of sticks. So there are 4 tens and 7 units. So how we will write? F-O-R-T-Y 40. S-C-V-E-N 7. 47. Okay students. Then see the next one. Write the proper number in the blank space. See here, first one there is 2 tens and 6 units. So it is written 26. Then in second box here 110 and 3 units. So it is written as 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Then last one 4 tens and 5 units. So it is written as F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-I-V-E 5. 45. Okay students. Now turn the page. Page number 14. See here. Look at the object, count them and write their number in the circle. So there is a tens and units. You have to count the objects. हमें objects count करना है और ये जो circle है उसमें लिखना है. So see here. There are 3 tens and 4 units. It means 34. So you have to write here 34. Here 5 tens and 3 units. So you have to write here 53 in the circle. Then 4 tens and 5 units. So you have to write 45. Okay. Now second one. Read the number and show the same number of things. String of beads, singles. Bundle of sticks, singles. Okay. So यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ strings किए हैं और हमें draw करने हैं strings. So first number क्या है? What is the first number here? 39. So what we will do? We will draw 3 tens and 9 units. Okay. And second one, what is the number? 41. So you have to draw 4 tens and 1 unit. Then here 22, you have to draw 2 tens and 2 units. Okay. Now see the last paragraph. Place value of the digit in a number. So in this paragraph, we will see the place value. To understand a 2-digit number, we look at how many bundles of 10 there are in the tens place and how many units or singles there are. For example, in 37, there are 3 bundles in the tens place and 7 single sticks in the units place. So students, see how we will see the place value of a number. So there is a number 37. Okay. See here, there is a number 37. So 3 is in the tens place and 7 is in the units place. So the place value of 3 is 30 and the place value of 7 is 7, because 3 is in the tens place and 7 is in the units place. Okay students, so we have finished this lesson. Now see the next lesson. What is the meaning of place value? As I told you in the previous lecture, so today in this lesson we will see the place value of a number. Okay, see here first paragraph, 30 and 5 and 35. There is number 35 means 3 tens and 5 units. We will see the place value of this number. In the number 35 we have 3 in the tens place. If we open 3 tens bundles, we get 30 units. That is why the place value of 3 in the number 35 is 30, as 5 is in the units place, its place value is 5. So students, there is a number 35. So in this number 3 is in the tens place, so its place value is 30, and the place value of 5 is only 5 because it is in units place. अगर हम लोग 30 नंबर्स जो है हम लोग अलग, ये जो 30 बंडल है 30 का, उसे अगर हम लोग खोल देंगे तो हम लोग काउंट करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 35 तक, तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. सो we have to make a bundle of 10. So there is 3 tens. So we can count easily. So 3 tens and 5 units makes 35. 30 is in the tens place. So it is, its place value is 30. Okay. See the second one. In the number 50, 5 is in the tens place. When we open 5 bundles, we get 50 units. Therefore, in the number 50, the place value of 5 is 50. In the units place, we have 0, whose place value is also 0. So, in second one, see here, 50, the number is 50. The place value of 5 is in the tens place. So, it is 50. And the 0 is in units place. So, its place value is 0. Okay students, now see second next example. Can you tell the value of each digit in the number shown below? Now see here, there are 6 units in this box. There are 6 units, so it is written as 6 here. Okay, so यहाँ पे 6 लिखा है. Now see the second box. How many tens are there? There are 2 tens. So the place value of 2 is 20 and the place value of 6 is only 6 because it is in units place. So the 4 tens and 2 units. So place value of 4 is 40 and the 2 is in units place. So it is place value of 2 is 2 only. So like that only. See the last one. 3 is in the tens place. So the place value of 3 is 30 and 4 is only 4. Okay students, now turn the page. See the page number 16. Okay, tell the place value of each underlined digit. So there are some numbers. There are some numbers. So in that number, the one number is underlined. See the first one here. Okay, in the first number there is 18. The number 1 is underlined. Okay, the one number is in tens place. The place value of 10 the place value of 1 is 10 as 1 is in the tens place. Okay, जो underline number किया हुआ है वो tens place पे है. So उसका place value क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. 1 10 आएगा. Okay, the place value of 1 is 10. Okay, because it is in tens place. The next number is like that 23. So the underlined number is 3. The place value of 3 is 3 as it is in the units place. Okay, now see the third one, 65. The underlined number is 5. The place value of 5 is 5 as it is in the units place. Okay, then 72. The underlined number is 7. The place value of 7 is 70 as it is in the tens place. Okay, then see the next number 50. The place value of 0 is 0 as it is in the units place. Then 40. So the underlined number is 4. So its place value is 40 because it is in tens place. Okay. And see the number 88. 8, the underlined number is 8. The place value of 8 is 80 as it is in the tens place. Then again 88 and the underlined number is in units place. So its value is only 8. Okay, because it is in units place. Then 61. The underlined number is 6. The place value of 6 is 60 as 6 is in the tens place. Okay students, now see the last one. Now write the place value of each digit in the numbers given below. So see the first one, this one. Okay, the number is 22. So how it is written here? See here, 22 means 2 tens and 2 units. So how it is written? The place value of 2 is 20 and units 2. Then 38. So how we will write? The place value of 3 is 30 and 8 units. Okay, and then 41. The place value of 4 is 40 and 1 is only 1. The place value of 6 is 60 and 0 is 0. The place value of 95, the place value of 9 is 90 and 5 is only 5 because it is in units place. Okay students, so we have completed this lesson from our textbook. So thank you for paying attention. We will meet in our next lecture. So students, thank you.